Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be presenting a short lecture on AI for humanity. The topic that I have chosen today is loneliness and how AI can help in it. Right? So it is about how because the problem of loneliness is growing. Right? People are independent. They want to be independent, and the youth is there. The other things. Like say the age of marriage, the consent, and many more things that we don't do. People don't want interference, and there are things. People are becoming modern. Everything is changing now. Right? Things are not same as before. And problem is before nobody knew that such a thing happened. Right? Today we know it because people are writing about it on internet. They are doing things. They are expressing their emotions. Right? Earlier there was no way in which all these things were to be tracked or not. So now why this thing? Why I want to write about loneliness and its healing through AI. Why? Do you think AI can replace humans? No, it can't. Right? But then why am I talking about loneliness and its healing with help of AI? AI can't replace humans. That is a fact. But the thing is, let us understand from the scratch why, what, and then how. Why, what, and how. Why we need it, what needs to be done, and how it needs to be done. And if it can heal, we don't know if it can heal, right? But it is just a hypothesis that such a thing exists, and if AI can help, then how it can help, right? So first we need to understand what it is actually. Okay, I'll give you an example of merchant navy. There's so many people who work in merchant navy. Everybody knows how many days they have to be away from home. Right? Everybody is dealing with things nicely. There's apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Everybody is busy in all those things. So it depends. But the special someone in your life would always be the special someone in your life, right? So in merchant navy, people are away for at time 6 months, at time less, at time more, right? Then there's infantry branch in military, right? Navy, military. People are out in ship for long, long times, right? Then these military people are on borders for so long, right? So that is another thing. Do they feel a need for spouse, or is just a phone call enough, or is just surfing on internet is enough? Is just your engagement in your profession enough? Is it that your aims are enough? That if you have aims, you don't feel like loneliness because you have something to look after. Right? You should have something to look after so that you forget the loneliness factor, and you have something to look after. Right? There are so many people who have aims, and these aims are better than they say it is better than engaging in a relationship that is not going to be accomplished or not going to be successful. So they say no, 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 no relationship, no marriage. We are happy with our aim. So this is a non-AI solution. You have a aim, you're working on it. But there are people. Everybody is different. There are people who want to deal with loneliness with the help of their dream girl or the real woman. And if it is a woman, then their dream boy, everything. I'm just explaining in form of man woman. You can just convert it from woman loneliness to man's. But typically, if you're busy with like your aims, your aspirations, at times you forget many things, right? So then there comes International Space Station, the astronauts, and they are away from their home since long, long time. So it is not just limited to astronauts. There are so many people who work in such things. Some people are working in mining, people are working in military, outer space, astronauts. In case you have a future mission on something like other planet we don't know whether this would happen or not, but people are making rockets and all those things. So they also would be staying away from homes so for many times. And for them, what would be aim of a person on Mars? No? Like, no, I'm here, I have aims, I can think over things, but if I'm on Mars, then what would I think over things? Do we have aims there? Like, no. So how do we replace loneliness with AI? One thing is with the help of aims and aspirations keeping yourself busy. Other thing is how would you help loneliness with the help of AI? Now, that is one thing. So I have been writing a lot of fiction stories also about robotics. How robotics can help mankind. Why do we need robots when we have so many things to do? Well, it is just a placeholder, right? Nobody is replacing jobs with it. Understand this problem that you have a robot, it is trained with help of advanced, right, generative AI and all those things. It has a AI and it speaks in the language of your girlfriend, right? At times she is able to talk to you through the robot. Why just WhatsApp messages? You can, if she, just imagine she is typing it on the robot and he's saying, "Hey, why are you feeling this? I'm here with you." Right? Just imagine the robot just saying, "Hey, what happened? I'm here with you." So why a robot? Because it just have many other sensory things. Right? It can see, it can hear, it can talk. So there are special things like speech, receiving and sending. Both are different things. You are receiving and you are sending, right? Then there's trained robots, right? They have generative language, voice of a girlfriend trained via AI to speak like her. Then most of the time, regular pending messages without AI. In between, when the partners are not there, then AI-based speech, right? If you don't have the partner, AI-based speech it can be trained on the voice of your girlfriends or otherwise boyfriend, whatever it is. Means even a woman may feel lonely, then she may need a male robot. Like, why just Facebooking? Why just Twitter? You can have a robot. There's no replacement for humans. Just take it like that. But it is a suggestion that AI can help mass loneliness that is being felt around the globe. Right. So it can use a lot of technology via robot. It can use image processing to see that no, you are not talking, then to see that. Deep learning, speech, voice recognition, all those things are there. Right? Packets are received, packets are sent, acknowledgement and message receiving would be there. So this is what it is, and how it can heal the world is a different thing. I've already explained that it is not just merchant navy people, it's not just astronauts in the ISS. It's these problems are affecting a lot of people, and not everybody has a strong willpower to get over such things on their own. Right? Some of you can get over, like we don't mind being single. But there are others who would say that no, we want AI. So I've been writing a lot of blogs on robotics as well. How robotics can help mankind, right? So that's another thing. It's all about helping mankind. It is not about replacing. There is no replacement, but one thing is very clear that it can help. The tech can help. Technology can help. AI can help. Right? When you're ready, like what happens in a military person is at the border of your country, be it be Brazil or Germany, Person would be at the border posted there, and the military spouse stays away. Hmm. So there are a lot of applications. Once again, there's no replacement, but the applications are. I'll come up with more. Write these points and let me summarize. AI can help loneliness, but it would take time. But it would take time because we all know what errors AI is doing, and there's a topic of ethics on AI. One have to read about that before we implement this thing. We have to implement this, and before we implement it, AI and ethics have to be done. I have written a lot of articles on AI and ethics also. We will be talking about it in my YouTube lectures as we go through, right? So all these things have to be done ethically. I'll continue more. Thank you. Stay tuned. Subscribe for updates.